form an army of his own. And what sort of arrangement is this? Why is the office of the NSA? Why is the office of the Attorney General? You allow all this nonsense happening in the country. No. It's lack of seriousness in the leadership of those places. We are so mad about what happened. And now somebody has seen Kanu was succeeding. He said he wanted to start in the southwest. Sunday Igboho. It's because of the way we are handling each and every situation. This kidnapping, we have somebody, a celebrity called Evans. How many years are you going to dispose of the case of Evans? Because of that, people have now said, if I am a kidnapper, nothing will happen to me. Let me look at somebody who kidnapped, who killed. He killed more than 10 people. He took money from so many people. This man is still enjoying in the prison. Why is this is it Wadume case of Taraba? That one, another criminal who was a big kidnapper, who arranged with military and killed police officers at a checkpoint in Taraba. Where is his case? He is still enjoying in the hands of warders. What sort of country are we? Because you are treating these cases with levity, that's why we are having recurrence and new people are being recruited into this business, so-called kidnapping. See how innocent school children. Now we can't continue schooling in Kaduna State because no parent wants to release his child to go and be kidnapped. So it is most unfortunate. The way we are handling the whole security system is what is causing the deterioration of insecurity in the country. Unless we change, we are not going anywhere. It's a pity.
General Halilu Akilu's wish for Nigeria is to see all sections of the country at peace and leadership meant to serve all. He blamed Buhari, who accepted second tenure, having seen that the challenges were above his capacity. He said Buhari should have given way for another person to take over and not to continue and face the embarrassment he is facing today.
And we have leadership that will bring Nigeria together and move the country forward. And that is my wish, your wish, and our leaders' wish. I know it's not the wish of Buhari to see us in the way we are, but it's the capacity. It's the capacity. As I said, I don't blame him because God has endowed people with different capacities. It's a pity. My only blame to him is why did he even allow himself to be for the second term? When he tested the first time, he saw the problem. He should have rested. He would have been a hero by now. See what Mandela did in South Africa. You are all born at that time. Mandela, after serving 1 year, one term in his lovely country, he knew the time was not for him. A new generation, South Africa wanted a new generation to continue the march forward. He brought Mbeki and took over from him. That is good leadership. That is reasonable leadership, you know. So it is, people were championing that our IBB wanted to perpetuate himself in government. No. When he saw the country wanted a change, he left by himself. He left in 1993. So it is my wish for this country to be at peace to have progress, to have less corruption, because the corruption we are facing, if you hear, you go to your own self will see it when you travel. You go to any of the airports.
General Halilu Akilu has expressly made it clear in the special interview with Captain Television that defeating insurgency and other criminal elements disturbing the peace of Nigeria, good leadership, cooperation among leaders, patriotism, quality training, information gathering, adequate manpower, speedy trial, and punishment of criminals must be taken into consideration and worked with. Thank you for watching. Captain Television Production 2021.